What's up, guys, an everyday Canadian. I'm sorry for the late videos I've been making. I was recently in the hospital for ammonia. I'm doing a little bit better. I just wanted to update you guys. We're gonna do the pepper update for you. A lot's happened since my last pepper update video. So let's get to it. This is the sweet banana pepper. Fall's already here, so bananas are turning red. Plants are really starting to droop. Like I said, it's harvest season, so we're heading into October. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the peppers. Our ghosts are doing really amazing. We got a lot of ghosts on this plant. They're all red. So I'll probably be harvesting in the next couple days. I'll post some videos of all the peppers together. There's another Hungarian sweet pepper, or hot pepper. This thing's massive. Some plants I am bringing indoors. This is my Carolina Reaper. It is massive. It's just starting to get its little pods in, so I'll be bringing that indoors. My El Jefes. This is the El Jefe. It is red right now. They are ready to harvest. Trinidad Scorpion. I have to bring that in. That is starting to pod. My other Carolina Reaper, that is ready to start potting. Over here we have my jalapenos. Oops, sorry about that, it's starting to rain. The jalapenos right now are red. Got some green ones. Small little Carolina Reaper. This is another ghost. You guys can see right there, the ghosts are starting. They're starting to turn red. Jalapenos. Sorry, my camera's getting wet, guys. Jalapeno is starting to get a little pepper in here. Might be bringing some indoors, just to put under a lamp and all that. A lot of you guys wanted the update. I'm trying to do an update right now for you guys. This is just another ghost. It's got a little one right there. Macho peppers. They are doing really good. I actually tried one of these. These are actually really hot. I couldn't even keep one down. But you can eat them whether they're green or red. My red Thai chilies are doing amazing. Turning red. I have other ones over here. If I can get a shot of them. Sorry guys, this is hard to film with one hand. Move that over. We got lots on this one. It's just hard to see because they're camouflaged. See? Most of them are ready to harvest. I didn't get a lot this year. But this was just an experiment garden. I've been sick for the longest time. I'll post the other videos so you can go back and watch them. This is just the 2018 quick garden update, guys. It's next year I'm hoping to go bigger and better. When I do move the plants indoors, I'll update you on those ones too. I'm going to put them under a grow light inside the tent. So we'll move some indoors today. I'll harvest some, and I'll show you guys a picture on social media of all of them together. But it's fall right now. It's time to harvest. You guys can see the leaves on the ground. I just wanted to do a quick update for you guys. I know you guys been asking, you know, how I'm doing. I've been really sick, under the weather. So I'm feeling a little bit better. Still not full recovery yet. Still sick, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's not the best video, but it's just something for you guys to, you know, to know what I've been doing. So if you guys hit that like button, maybe I'll start feeling better. You know, show some love and support. I'm actually trying to struggle right now to film, guys. I am very sick right now, so I'm sorry. Videos are coming back, though. I would never quit YouTube for you guys. So yeah, this is the peppers. And yeah, so this is the update. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's nothing special. It's just a quick update. You know, smash that like button, hit that subscribe. Follow me on social media, Facebook and Twitter. This is an Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.